Yo, oh, I don't have my webcam on. Anyways, doesn't matter. This two trades of the day I took two break evens. It was a low key annoying day, kind of, but yeah, in a way on the bias. Like we had this 4 hour gap, also a 4 hour gap down here. We were in this 4 hour gap, so kind of in this range, waiting to go either up to these previous day highs or London highs, or just go into this 4 hour gap. And yeah, pretty much the same on ES. We got the kind of London high, then previous day high. I don't know. It's not even previous day. It's Asia. It's Asia high. Then also we had this 4 hour gap. We were lower on ES, but yeah, that's basically the thing. So pretty much how I did it was I would only take longs if we displace past this 1 hour gap here, or push and close down like under these lows, and also the same on ES kind of. So what happened? Market opened, we pushed past those. The reason I didn't enter immediately on that first 5 minute was because there was this data high, and just like this, because something that could have happened is that we sweep these data highs and then we continue back going down to the 4 hour gap that's down there. But we did not do that, so we displaced up, we retraced into the 5 minute gap here. Then my first trade was here, kind of something like this. Well, this would have been enough for RR wise, but yeah, then I go break even immediately here. Then that fucking sucks. I mean, I still I'm glad I went break even there, because it's still an internal high, and I will go every time break even there if it's actually like if it's actually logical to go there. And I think here it was. Then I got basically stopped out immediately on break even. Then wait, hold on. Yeah, then after I entered here with the stop being on this body low, and take profit being there on that, I pretty much entered there. I think I got my fill. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I entered this candle. And yeah, after it took this high, I don't know, I didn't take any profits, even though it was 0.7 R, and I'm on my eval. That 0.7 R, hold on, that 0.7 R would have been like I risked like right around 500 times 0.7. How much is that? Well, I would have been only like kind of one trade from passing it if I trade my stop. Also, I could have also traded my stop. I was thinking about doing it, but I just didn't then. And that was my decision. And yep, I mean, I'm not like mad of not trading or not taking profits. I think it was valid, the whole, especially after we do this kind of price action. Wait, hold on. So I entered this candle, yeah, right. Then it went on for a couple of minutes like that. Then it took out this high. I got break even there. pretty much, or I think a little bit earlier, because I just knew it was going to take this, and this price action is lagging for me like really much, so I kind of pre-fired the break even, so I could be extra safe, so I don't get like fucked by the lag. And yeah, I might journal them now on Notion. Oh shit, right. Firstly, the first trade. Fucking hell. I was also debating on entering here, but this, really honestly, like this confirmation, it's just too good to like pass out that chance. It's just pretty clean. Like it ain't that many times where we get this kind of confirmation on like a pretty nice retrace, and I took the chance. And yeah, hold on. Let me do this, do that. Let me put this out. I'm gonna do it like this here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Then the 1 minute. Yeah. Take the picture. Reason for trade. It's a simple continuation. Clean lower time from entry. Simple old school time frame continuation entry. Clean confirmation. Just a classic OG type of trade. What went right? The draw was right, it was a good draw. Also we had this, but yeah, I just could break even. I really like, fuck, wait, hold on, let me, yeah, now I got this. Like if I risked, yeah, I risked 500 or so there, times 1.5, 750, yeah, I would have been so close to passing this shit, but yeah. Hold on, what was I doing? What went right? Well, it's a good value draw on liquidity. I mean, but that's just obvious that it's good. Well, it's still a good draw, and we literally confirmed that we were going there. Good confirmation and good retrace. Yeah, it was really clean price action here. What wasn't clean about it, that we got break even. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I think I actually think that this was like A plus. We confirmed it on the 5 minute. We retraced. Boom, 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 boom. Like, it's just really clean. Also, we had kind of the same thing on the SX. We were a little bit more down, but this is really still clean. It didn't even deliver close to anywhere on ES. What went wrong? Let's see. What were possibly wrong things in this trade? Well, what went wrong in this specific situation? We got break even really fast, and it still was a right trade idea on where price would go. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe just because this was so clean, I should have been confident on it playing out just overall. And yeah. Oh no, man. Oh no, man. No. No, I don't think. I really don't think at the moment here anything big went wrong. Or at least what I, what I can see. I can't see anything, at least yet, on why this wasn't a good trade. Like, for me, like, based off how I like to trade. I would take the trade again. Was the order pair correlated? Yes. Clean pricing, very clean. Break even, entry, retrace. Yes, everything was good. I mean, yeah, it's a simple trade. Then, fuck. Then I'll do the other one. Fuck me, man. Date today, pair and Q. No, not lost. Break even. Pictures. Oh, fuck me, dude. Fuck me, dude. Can I, like, do this? Do that, do that. Do that. Do that. Clean. Clean off trade. Same idea on the day. Literally, I think this trade could have, like, you could have looked at everything based off the 5 minute. You can see the draw on the 5 minute. You can see the retrace and this confirmation. Yeah. Pretty clean. Oh no, man. confirming as this placing a lot on 5 min with a relative value safe stop loss and a okay break even spot. What went right? Drawn liquidity was right. It should be every trade right. The drawn liquidity. I think it was 1650. Oh shit! I think it was a. Okay, this is kind of like. If I look at the 1 minute, it's kind of what is it? Top blasting. But that wasn't the reason for the trade. It was more of a 5 minute. 5 minute just like here, draw and displacing up after tapping that gap. Break even place. It's more of like a higher time frame, like 5 minute entry. What went wrong? I think because I was on. This was on an eval, or also like I believe if I'm on a funded account, I'm in a trade, and the trade has already gone to like what is it, 0.5 R. So if you risk 500, that's 250. That's like a winning day. It's like a winning day on a XFA, and you should secure that winning day instead of getting break even. I mean that's kind of important in order to secure payouts, and especially if you don't have a consistency rule, you can just farm these winning days, kind of make them extra safe that you get many of them, and you can just hit some trades that because every trade doesn't hit like full TP, and then these kind of make the winning days, and then the full trades make the more capital. So that's something that a consistency rule like limits. But yeah, this was on an eval. I should be trailing my stop. I should be trailing my stop to secure safely more capital on the trade. Yeah, kind of, if that makes sense. I think I would take the trade again. It's really an alright trade. Was the other percolated? Yeah, kind of clean price action, break even, but yeah, it wasn't a like an internal high. I mean, it's kind of an internal high here, but it ain't like so close like of an internal high. Still a solid break-even point, right? I mean, I don't know. Are these on news? I don't know why we had these big candles on pre-market, but good entry point, yes. Good retracement. Well, here the retracement was this whole thing, and it really wasn't that kind of a retrace and confirmation trade. It was like the retrace was this whole thing, and this was the confirmation. And already, because we did this gap, we tapped that gap and we displaced out of it. Therefore, this is protected already. I mean, I don't think it's going to retrace again here, like more probably. Yeah. Good retrace, yes. It wasn't top blasting because it wasn't even the type of time frame trade. But yeah, kind of, yeah. Alright, let's look at the trading calendar. This is now March. Okay, we took one loss, which will be avoidable when if I take the same trade again. I will look at my journal every day so I don't keep making the mistakes. We got 2 break evens. Like, I get this kind of unlucky, but it is what it is. I'm not trying to cope with it. It got break even. I managed to break even because it would be more safe to go break even there. And I'm not mad about that. Just for the future, because I'm on an eval, or if I'm on fucking hell, or if I'm on a XFA, I'll probably almost every time secure the winning day if I'm on a trade with already above the, I don't know, like $200 trade. Then I just trail my stop to that winning day balance, and it works like that. So yeah, I think that's one thing that could be good to have. And yeah, pretty chill day. I'm glad that this overall week I've been consistent with this trading. I think I've been doing the right thing. I have to stick to the strategy. Even though I took a loss there, it's a learning experience. And yeah, I think this will work. This month could be the month where I get to prove to myself that the strategy, I can do it like consistently. But yeah, anyways, that's it.